Guys, today we have this kind of mandazi. What we have already prepared using our lemon. Follow us, you see what we are going to do to prepare to have such nice mandazis. Hey viewers, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime that you are watching this video, guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much because of stopping here. My name is Martha. Welcome to Marijo family channel. Today, as you can see, we are so grateful because of God. He has given us this chance. He has given us the gift of life. We are so grateful. We are so happy. So today I'm going to prepare something really true and something special for us, guys. So you will follow us until the end. I'm going to prepare what we call the lemon mandazi. I have my lemon here, so you will follow us until we finish. I have my ingredients here. I have my milk, I have my blueband, I also have my eggs. I have some in the house. I'll just put them. I'm showing you the ingredients. I also have my self-raising flour. So welcome back here. Let us cook those mandazi, the lemon ones, that they'll be so sweet. Then we shall go together.
Hi viewers, welcome back to Marijo family channel. Today, as you can see, today we have a special recipe as my wife already introduced. My name is John. Today we are having a special lemon mandazi, so we are going to prepare together. So keep watching as we prepare them. Our viewers, we want to apologize for those people who view our video yesterday. We are very sorry for that, and we were forced to withdraw that video, and we apologize for that. We want to remind you that you keep subscribing our channel, you keep sharing, you keep liking our videos, because we appreciate a lot for what we have been doing in our channel. We want to also to remind that those people who have not yet subscribed to our channel, to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate a lot to assist us to reach 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there, as you can see in our channel. So assist us, and we appreciate a lot. So keep watching as we continue preparing our mandazi.
Once I had forgotten to bring for you the sugar here to show you. Now mandazi can be cooked without sugar. So I start by putting what we call my flour here. This is my self-raising flour. I want to cook just for breakfast, not much. Then I also add what we call, it can fall down. Add my blueband, my margarine. The margarine is there. Start mixing. Margarine is to make our mandazi not to be hard. They will make them very soft. Then I also add still adding. I have added my eggs. I also add my sugar now. Remember, sugar you have to put at least generously because you want your mandazi to be sweet. Yeah. Remember, children love things that are very sweet. Now our key area is our lemon.
Yes.
This is our lemon. This one already washed. It is already cleaned. So what I have to do, I will remove the upper part.
Okay.
This is what we are going to use. If you use the inner one,
okay, the liquid form.
Yeah,
the liquid.
it will be very bitter.
Okay.
So you use the upper part.
The upper.
I've said this one. This is the part we are removing. So I use my grater. Now you remove just the upper part. They make your mandazis very sweet. You have to be careful because this thing just want to taste this mandazi, the lemon mandazi. People use them even for cooking charcoal. Yeah, the lemon.
Also the cake.
The cake.
Yeah. So you are going to cook us one. Yeah. You are going to cook a cake using the lemon.
The lemon.
Yeah.
So you remove just the upper part. Now the inner one I'll boil for drinking.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good for flu, the cold. The more mandazi you prepare,
yes,
the more lemons you put. Okay. It depends. Mine, because they're just few for breakfast. See? So now this one, you don't use this one now. See this one? If you put them, your mandazi will be bitter.
Okay, let me show them the way it is. Right?
Yeah. Now I mix my mixture. Now after mixing my flour with my ingredients, the others,
the lemon,
the lemon, the sugar, and the blue band, the margarine, that is.
Yes.
I have now to add my milk.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't use water to cook my mandazi. I use milk. Now this is now where you have to be more careful. This is what will determine the end result. You can see now it is a bit better. Now I keep it for like 30 minutes. You see my lemons? They are green. They're green. You have to cover it for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Or 20.
Oh.
Yeah. You see? I want it now to be tender.
Okay.
More than this, eh? You can show them after 30 minutes.
Yes.
My dough. This is the way it is. Yeah.
Very soft.
Yeah, very soft. Then Now I have already prepared they have rolled one. I want to cut it into few pieces.
Okay.
You can cook as any shape that you like. Remember, today we had already shown them there early in the first videos.
Yes.
About cooking the mandazi with milk and whatever.
Yes.
But we never had the lemon.
The lemon.
Yeah, that is why those ones who followed us that time.
Yes.
They only now need to know adding the lemon.
Yeah.
It seems not very hot. Now we wait for water to.
Hi guys, my name is Maggie. The mandazi was so sweet.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Hi viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today my mommy will cook mandazi, and that mandazi is so delicious.
Say hi.
Yeah, people.
Hey.
So our viewers, thank you so much because of following us. Thank you for giving us your subscription. Thank you for giving us your love. Thank you for showing us anything you are concerned. We thank you so much because of giving us the comment, the likes. They are all good. They encourage us. So guys, now I want to wind up the video there today as we meet the other day, next day, maybe tomorrow, God willing. And for now, I want to say bye bye.